Section 4 IELTS Listening Test. You will hear the lecture and you have to answer question 1 till 10 with one word only. Slow cognitive decline with flavonols. Eating more flavonols, antioxidants found in many vegetables, fruits, tea, and wine may slow your rate of memory loss, a new study finds. The cognitive score of people in the study who ate more flavonols declined 0.4 units per decade more slowly than those who ate the fewest flavonols. The results held even after adjusting for other factors that can affect memory, such as age, sex, and smoking, according to the study. It is exciting that our study shows making specific diet choices may lead to a slower rate of cognitive decline, said the study author Dr. Thomas Holland, an instructor in the Department of International Medical University. Flavonols are cytoprotective, meaning they protect cells including neurons, so it's plausible there could be a direct impact on cognition. But they're also a marker of higher intake of fruits and vegetables, which is good for the brain because it's good for every vital organ and the organism as a whole, Katz said in an email. They may also be a marker of better overall diet quality or even greater health consciousness. People who are more health conscious may do things to preserve their cognition, or maybe being more health conscious is a byproduct of better cognition. Flavonols, a type of flavonoid, have been shown in animal and some human studies to reduce inflammation, a major trigger for chronic disease, and are rich sources of antioxidants. Antioxidants combat free radicals, high unstable molecules that are naturally formed when you exercise and when your body converts food into energy. One of the most common flavonols has shown promise in reducing the onset of colorectal cancer and other cancers. According to studies, onions contain the highest levels. Lower levels can be found in broccoli, blueberries, cauliflower, spinach, and strawberries. Another common flavanol, camphorol, appears to inhibit the growth of cancer cells while preserving and protecting normal cells. Good sources of camphorol are onions, asparagus, and berries. A third major player is myricetin, which has been studied in rodents for blood sugar control, a protein that causes the hallmark tangles of Alzheimer's and other dementia. Spinach and strawberries contain high levels of myricetin, but honey, grapes, and other fruits, berries, vegetables, nuts, and tea are also good sources. The last group of flavonols, isoramnitin, may protect against cardiovascular and neurovascular disease in addition to anti-tumor and anti-inflammatory benefits. Good sources of isoramnitin are pears, olive oil, wine, and tomato sauce. An older dementia-free population. The new study asked 961 people with an average age of 81 and no signs of dementia to fill out a food questionnaire each year for 7 years. In addition, the participants underwent annual cognition and memory tests and were quizzed to their time spent being physically and mentally active. People are divided into groups based on their daily intake of flavonols. The lowest intake was about 5 milligrams a day. The highest was 15 milligrams a day, equal to about a cup of dark leafy greens. The study looked at the impact of the four major flavonols, camphorol, quercetin, myricetin, and isoramnitin, on the rate of cognitive decline over the 7 years. The greatest impact was found with camphorol. People who ate the highest amounts of food with camphorol showed 0.4 units per decade lower rate of cognitive decline compared with those who ate the fewest according to study. Myricetin was next. People who ate the most foods with myricetin had 0.3 units per decade slow rate of cognitive decline compared with the lowest consuming group. People who ate the most foods with quercetin showed a 0.2 units per decade slow rate of cognitive decline. Dietary isotretinoin had no impact, the study found.